I don't think people say it enough, but cooking is sorcery. Cooking is cooking is witchcraft. You can't tell me I'm putting sesame seeds, I'm putting salt, I'm putting some cloves, I'm putting um Maggi, I'm putting all these seasonings, I'm putting vegetables that grow out of dirt, that grow out of sand, but I'm going to wash them, and I'm making beans that grows in a pod, and I have to peel it open, and I have to pick it and separate it from the stones, and then I wash it, and then I cook it, and then I bring it to you as a token of my love. Cooking is sorcery, and it's the most exciting sorcery ever. You're telling me we are mixing all these things in a pot and we're singing. Mind you, a lot of times we do sing when we cook, and we're singing and we're saying, and we're stirring, and there's fire. And we can tell when the fire is too hot, and we reduce it, and when the fire is too low, and we increase it, and then we are able to know when this doesn't taste good, and it tastes good, and we're able to tell, and we're able to eat it and see that it's good for our body, and then we serve it to someone else that we love and say, take, as a token of my love. Cooking is the greatest sorcery in the world. I mean, all of people that love to cook, and people that can't cook, and maybe people that don't love to cook but just have to cook because you know you have to be healthy and you have to make the people that you love healthy as well. Cooking is beautiful. Like, human beings woke up one day and said, you know what, these things that is growing from the sand, I think we can wash it with water and put it on a fire or not, and then mix it with some other things of nature, and then eat, and it's going to nourish our body. And the ones that baffle me the most, those ones went overboard. They are the ones that can tell you which particular food is good for each of your organ. Cooking is a gift, and I feel that you have to be a happy, maybe not happy, but you have to have some element of joy for your food to be really great, you know. And I've seen some of these cooking shows, and they're almost always very agitated and obsessed with getting the right scale and amount of things, and when the judges eat it, or when their audience eat, they're going to be like, tasty, boy. I don't know about that. They didn't have any source of joy when they were making that food. Are you sure that is going to taste great? I don't know. It could. I'm just saying, speaking hypothetically. But cooking, if cooking was animated by some funny animator like maybe Judosi, it's going to be so funny, because imagine an animation, the person is wearing some kind of witch hat and is singing and is turning and is on fire. You immediately think the person is a witch. So if you're a good cook, you're a good witch. You're a good witch. But it's so amazing. And I think we are the only ones that cook. We are the only species that cook. Humans are lovely, you know. Every single day I completely believe the concept of heaven, because we can do so much more. Just that the world is being soiled, right? But just imagine in a world where all the humans are happy. Someone at the gate coming. Just I'm back. I went to take meat from the gate. Today is Sunday, so the meat is for tomorrow. Yes, my mom has a canteen, so she cooks food. So that's what the meat is for. So you see, we're talking about cooking, and then meat arrived. This is meat from a cow, and then we're going to wash it, and then we're going to put spices. We're going to put rosemary, curry, salt, and then mix it with water, and then put heat. And then it's going to cook, and then it's going to bring out this nice aroma, and then we're going to fry it, and then we're going to use the sauce to make rice. You see what I'm saying? What sorcery is this? Now I understand why we have cookbooks. and the rest, because it's such a delicate art. Is science, is art, is it's a miracle. It's a miracle. Honestly, everything just cooking is so amazing, and human beings cook for each other, and then we use our fingers, and then we sing to the song, we sing to the food, almost like we are singing for it to be this amazing dish. It's so amazing. What is food called in your language? And what's your favorite food? Do you like to cook? Do you like to cook but do not know how to cook? Do you mind? Are you like, I don't really care about food? Or you've not had a food that changed your taste buds before? And what's your favorite dish? What's it called in your language? I'm trying to remember what food is called in my language. I'm trying to learn my language. I don't really know it so well. What's food called? I don't remember. But what is food called in Igbo? So let me know in the comments. And have a nice meal today, and give a friend a nice meal. I'm sure they're going to love it. They're going to appreciate it. Even though you're not the best cook, there are thousands of tutorials, thousands of cookbooks that you can learn from. To me, just try it. Just try it and act like you're a good witch. So yeah, food.